So once you've created your final page, if you're not already in the editor, click on Edit. And this is where you're going to give me copies of everything you make. So let's say, for example, you make the timeline. On the timeline website, you will either Control-C to copy all this information from the iframe, so Control-C to copy all the information from the timeline, and then don't paste it here. Go to the HTML. I would either put it at the very top or the bottom. Control-V, update, and the blue save. So this is how we're getting the timeline on here. If you don't want to do it in this direction, the other choice is to edit the page, pretend that wasn't there. Type the word timeline, highlight it, and we're going to make a link to a web page. Let's go get the link. So go back to timeline. It says get link to preview. Get the link to preview. Control-C to copy, and Control-V to paste. Red OK, and the blue save. So how do I know the timeline worked? So instead of embedding it, I just made a link to it, and that's the link to my timeline. If anybody wants to come back to see my web page, they can go back and see my web page. And that's it for creating your timeline and embedding the timeline on the final page.